Hey guys, hey, it's Killoren Bensimon with the sales meeting. Welcome to something new and different, game changers and pioneers. Today, we are celebrating the Campana brothers from Brazil, who are known for mixing mundane materials and making them cool. The reason that we're here today is because Kylie Jenner posted a picture of her daughter sitting in a Umberto and Fernando Campana chair. When I was on Housewives in 2010, and then I was on the Rachel Ray show showing you guys how you can make an innovative chair for your children. Now, the Campana brothers are known for mixing materials and taking things that are unusual and mundane and making them very cool, and that's what we're doing today. So we are literally, with our glue gun and with our stuffed animals, making our own Campana chair. I'm Killoren Bensimon. Nice to see you.